Concept 150-300 is CHISA equipment for the medical waste treatment. The medical waste is shredded, unidentifiable, and sterilized to become an urban solid waste. The machine is completely sealed. All panels are in stainless steel, easy to clean and elegant. Waste is loaded into the upper chamber at the top of the unit. Bags and boxes are placed inside the hopper and pushed into the shredder. On demand, it is possible to order an automatic loading system for boxes with standard dimensions. Gloves, organic waste, bones, textiles, plastics, bags are pushed and compressed to the rotor of the shredder. A high-speed blade system destroys the waste, reducing it in small pieces of less than 15 millimeters diameter. The discharge is located in the opposite side of the machine. The waste, shredded and sterilized, is unloaded by a trolley placed at the bottom. On demand, it is possible to add a waste packaging system directly into bags. The machine is equipped with an activated carbon filter that sucks the smell coming out of the hopper of the shredder during the breakup of the bags and boxes. The 8-inch color touchscreen display enables users to view and manage all the cycle in an intuitive way. The tri-clamp stainless steel piping connections allow for an easy maintenance. The AquaZero system reduces water consumption. The connection between the shredder and the chamber is hermetic. Concept is the first machine with an integrated system of shredder translation to ensure a total access to the chamber. In addition, thanks to many years of experience, CHISA has developed an air filtration system for the infected vapors, approved in the disinfection lists, for example, by Robert Koch Institute. CHISA's real innovation is the Concept Inside container. The Concept system can be installed on demand inside a 20 feet high cube container, ready for transportation and quick to install. The container is realized in metal sheets and 4 strong blocks at the corners. The interior walls and the roof are covered with thermic insulation panels. The floor is made in marine wood covered with PVC, easy to clean. The central roof is composed by 6 modules, easy to assemble on place. During the transportation, these modules are stocked inside the container. There are 2 livable versions of the container, the first one for external temperatures up to 43 degrees, the second one for higher external temperatures. Concept Inside container is a plug-and-play system. The utilities, such as water, compressed air, and exhaust, are located on a connection plate on the upper part of the roof. On the bottom, there are connections for electrical cables and drainage. Container is provided with through-the-floor holes for cables. CHISA Concept is available in 2 versions, 150 and 300 liters of nominal capacity. 2 installations, standalone or inside 20-foot high cube livable container. CHISA, total solution for the infection control.